students. Actually, in the last class, we not taught this branch and bound method, and everyone are asking about this branch and bound method because it is given in assignment problem. Uh, so today I'll just brief about the branch and bound method. So I will go with a simple problem here. Previously, we already solved this assignment problem with the Hungarian method, and we having other method, that is branch and bound method, and it is given in our syllabus as a Little's method. Okay, so that one I got confused, because of that reason I didn't go with that. I thought it is not there in the syllabus. Okay, so I will go with a simple topic here. So just you can see here. So here we are having one matrix. This matrix 9, 2, 7, 8, 6, 4, 3, 7, 5, 8, 1, 8, 7, 6, 2, 4. So this is a matrix. Here we are having 4 by 4 matrix. So here we are having 4 by matrix. This is a 1, 2, 3, 4. This indicates the persons who are operating the jobs here. So here these things indicates the jobs. How many jobs are there? 4 jobs are there, and 4 members are going to operate these things. But our main question is to whom we need to assign. And every organization will think that if I assign a job to any of the operator, so he should take a lesser cost. So that is the target for the organization. So according to that, we have to select who is going to take a lesser cost, in that less rupees, that we have to identify, and we need to assign the job to that person. That is our target here. Okay, coming to that, what we'll do, so here in this branch and bound method, so initially we'll identify the lower bound, means minimum cost, how much it will be, that we are going to identify. So lower bound, how we are going to identify the lower bound here? The lower bound means, so in each and every row we have to take a minimum value. The first row, what is the minimum value here? 2 is the minimum value, 2. And similarly in the second row plus 3, and third row plus 1, and a fourth row plus. So you add all these things, 2 plus 3 5, 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 2 8. So this 8 rupees will be the minimum cost, nothing but here our total value is going to come above this 8. Okay, so this 8 rupees is the minimum value. So we need to identify the jobs whom we are assigning, that we have to assign. Now next we have to go for that. So after this, what we'll do, we'll assign a job to the each and every persons by using the branches here. So we'll go like this. So what I will do, first one, when a is equal to 1, second one I will take a branch of when a is equal to 2, third one I will take when a is equal to 3, when a is equal to 4. Okay, so what I will do, this small change we will do here. Here whatever we have, this 1 2 3 4 here, and this one, this need to be changed vice versa. So what I will do here, what I will do, I will write this as a b c d, and this I will make it as a 1 2 3 4. Okay, so when a is equal to 1, a means this is the person a, first person a is assigned. When a, for the person a, the first job assigned, what will be the value? If we assign a second job, what will be the value? If I assign a third job, what will be the value? If I assign fourth job, what will be the value? That we are going to evaluate. In that, what we have to do, so once we assign all the jobs to person, so here we are going to identify the who, in which part, in which job he is getting lesser amount, so that we have to select here. So first one, you see here, if I consider this first one, So A is taking, so then A is assigned with a 9, first job. If I assign a 9, so next what we have to do, we have to take in a second job, we need not to consider this first row values. We need to consider the bottom values, bottom column values. What is the minimum in that one we have to consider. In the second column, you see what is the minimum value, plus 4. In the third column, what is the minimum value, plus 1. In the fourth column, you see what is the minimum value, 4. Add all the things, 9 plus 4, 13, 13 plus 1, 14, 14 plus 4, 18. Similarly, second one you check, when he is assigned second job, means, so we have to consider plus 1, this one 2 we have to consider, and for the remaining what we have to do is just we need to neglect the first row values, and we need to consider the minimum value in each and every column. So in each and every column we have to consider, means we have to check uh, in the first column what is the minimum value, 5 is the minimum value, plus similar in the third column you see what is the minimum value, 1 is the minimum value. In the fourth column you see here 4 is the minimum value. Add all the things, 5 plus 2 7, 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 4 12. And similarly go for the third one. The third one if I assign here, it will be like a third job you consider 7, and neglect the first row here. And the second one, what is the for the first part, in the first column what is the minimum value, in 7 plus 5, plus for the second column what is the minimum value, 4, plus in the fourth column what is the minimum value, 4. So then it will be 4 plus 4 8, 8 plus 5 13, 13 plus 7 20. Similarly, an A is assigned with the fourth job. So then that time you check once. So this will be 8 plus. So just you neglect the first row values. Now next come for the second column here. So what is the minimum value in this? 1. What is the minimum value in the second column? 4 is the minimum value. Similarly, in the first column you check what is the minimum value in this? 5 is the minimum value, plus 5. So now you check it. 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 4 13, 13 plus 5 18 here. So here the thing is, for the first person which job is going to be assigned, so that we have to finalize here. So in the to comparing all the two costs here, which is the minimum value that we have to consider. This A is equal to this is the minimum value, means for a person A, second job is allotted here. Got it? So once it is done, so we need to leave the second job, and we need to consider only the further left out jobs. A is equal to 1. Next one is for the B person. For A is already assigned, so for the B persons we have to check. B is equal to 1 when B equal to 2 is already assigned. B equal to 3. Next one is when B equal to 4, that job. So when B equal to 1 you check, that time what we have to do, we need to consider this row now. So in that row, first column we have to consider the B equal to 1, 6 plus, and whatever the values are having in the row, that we have to leave like that only. We should not add in any value. So next what we have to, in a second column, what is the minimum value, we have to check. We need not to consider this row values here. So next minimum value is 2. And similarly third one you check what is the minimum value, plus 1. And the fourth one you check what is the minimum value here, plus 4. Add all the things, 6 plus 2 8, 8 plus 1 9, 9 plus 4 13. Similarly when B equal to 3, when B is equal to 3, that time you check B equal to 3. So that time it will be 3 plus 3 plus second one, you just consider this in first column. What is the minimum value in this? 5 is the minimum value. 3 plus 5 plus, in a second column what is the minimum value, plus 2, and fourth column what is the minimum value, plus 4. Add all the values here. 3 plus 5 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 4 it is 14. Okay, similarly go for the fourth one. This b and b is assigned with the fourth job. Now check that there. So b is assigned with the fourth job. This one we have to consider. So this is what, 7 plus, so second next job is in this second third column what is the minimum value, plus 1. In the second column what is the minimum value that we have to consider, plus 2. And the first column what is the minimum value that we have to consider, 5 is the minimum value here, plus 5. 7 plus 1 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 5 15. So in this what is the minimum value that we have to finalize here. So this 13 is going to become minimum value. So then this is going to be considered as this is going to be considered for the b person here. For the b person, which job is assigned here, for the b person first job is assigned. Left out jobs are what, 3 and 4. So 3 and 4 there may be a, for the c person there will be fourth job is assigned, there may be second person. So you already know the value of this one. So then what I will do, I will consider there, what I will do, there may be two jobs for you. So next what we have to do, we just need to check which job is going to be assigned for the C person and the D person. So that time what we have to do, we have to check when already we know the A is finalized, A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 1 job is assigned. C is assigned with the, see if C having the two options here, C may assign with the first job or fourth job, third job or fourth job. So then if I assign a third job to the C person, then fourth job if I assign this one, so then that time what happens, it will be, we are having A equal to 2, A is equal to 2 means what is the value here, 2 plus, when B is assigned with the first job, 2 plus 6, if I assign C equal to 3 here, this will be